Hi students, welcome to MGTA 446, which is the capstone class for your bachelor program here at Evangel. And so I'm sure you're excited about this. This marks your next to the last class before you finish. Now when you guys finish, you'll need to continue your learning if you're going to be of value to the marketplace and also to continue on the path that God has called you for. So in this class, this is where we get to practice what learning on our own is going to feel like. Now that doesn't mean I'm going to abandon you by any means, but what I am going to do is I've given you a book to read and some questions to answer, and so this might be something that you would do once class is over. Now I'm assuming once you graduate you're going to want to take a little break from reading or maybe do some recreational reading, but at some point you're going to want to continue building your knowledge base. And so we've given you a popular book to read, and it's going to open up some discussions that we're going to handle on the online discussion board. So for the first couple of weeks, you've just got to focus on the Good to Great book, and at the end of that, I'll have an assessment for you to take, just, as a good measurement to be sure that you got through it and understood everything okay. I'll tell you a little bit more about the assessment next week, so you don't need to worry about that. What you do need to worry about this week is getting your reading done, answering the questions, getting those uploaded. Now the discussion board for this week is a 0-point discussion board because it's really for you guys to talk about putting your teams together, because for week 3, 4, and 5 you're going to need to be in groups of 2 or 3 because those projects are going to be team projects. It's going to be just like you were hired to do some consulting for a business. We've given you a case study that you'll look at for week 3, 4, and 5. You'll put together a business plan, and by the end you'll have a strategic plan that you will submit as a team. So you'll put this together. You'll not have single individual grades on those projects, although we will have a evaluation form at the very end where you can kind of critique how your other team members did and so on and so forth. So you will get to weigh in on this a little bit more, just kind of like you're working for yourself. So this will be an exciting class for you. It probably won't seem like it's that much of a workload compared to what you've been through, but it's more of where instead of learning, you're going to be utilizing what you've already learned. So I'm excited for this. So I'll be involved on the discussion board if you have any questions. So I look forward to sharing more as this class goes along. Week 3, 4, and 5 is where the real meat of it happens. So enjoy these first 2 weeks. Get a little break from finance, if you will, and just enjoy this book. If you have any questions, get a hold of me. Thank you.